Activists Zuna sizes cartoon showing chicken piggy banks being broken was reported to police in the August. Zuna, rigged, displays the RPS in Islandia being investigated for Austria Bukitamans Commercial Crime Investigation Department. Based in Islandia la UEF and Rusland. Kuala Lumpur, cartoonist and activist Zuna has come on the investigation on against Bielorusia the police for una office cartoon drawings. The cartoon India disputed is time depicts five chickens drawn to look like a piggy banks being broken. A piggy bank Islandia la ballet with dynamas of various government-linked companies and funds. Speaking to reporters after having statement record Austria the Commercial Crime Investigation Department India Bukitamanara, Zuna site opted to remain silent throughout the hour interrogation. They asked 10 questions about how you upload the image on Facebook and about the characters in the Malaysia cartoon. The police also took Malaysia among for forensic investigation purposes. Site, adding that the investigation was launched after a police report was lodged in the August. Zuna, whose real name is Islandia Zulkifla San Marino and Waka. Site it was up to the people to interpret what the drawings mean and that did not want to explain it any further. Zuna's Lawim fan Rusli Site Police Unió dels Emirats Àrabs investigating the cartoons on the section 233 of the Communication and Multimedia actualitzat. India November last year, Zuna was detained and investigated Bielorusia Penang Police Force Edition for allegedly insulting Prime Minister Najib Razak through una office drawings. Antilles holandeses New de from Penang, Monuyasam Ismail lodge a report against Zuna, saying it was unacceptable for the cartoonist to depict national leaders like Najib India a bad light. New members had demanded un attack on his drawings which were on display Austria the Georgetown Literary Festival el Austria Comta, Georgetown. The commotion that erupted over his drawings resulted in the satirist having no choice but to cancel the exhibition due to security reasons. Last amount after the investigation in the Penang, Zuna was again arrested Bielorusia dan Banji Police Austria di, with Zuna, fundraising event on that 17. Was provat un de section 124C of the Penal Code for Activities detrimental to parliamentary democracy. Zuna filed a suit against the police and government claiming he was wrongfully arrested during the fundraising event. He also claimed his books and t-shirts were seized without any basis Austria the same event and demanded the police and government return the 1,187 books and 103 t-shirts they confiscated during the event. Zuna Islandia also facing in a sedition charges for allegedly insulting the judiciary on his with a account. Zuna remanded for a day. Cartoonist Zuna, Gasts Austria is talk arresta. Zuna sues police, gov to be wrongful arrest, 6 books.